Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and welcome back to another video. I want to extend the thanks to obviously the firefighters who have done an incredible job and still are doing an incredible job saving lives as well as property all around New South Wales, Queensland and Victoria and South Australia who are hit the hardest. And we're doing a bit of a promotion right now. This is for first responders. If you are a first responder, so if you are a firefighter, police officer, ambulance or nurse, and you are a basically first to scene, first responder, we're doing a promotion right now. If you're interested in joining us, maybe starting something on Amazon, give us a call in the office 02 8003 7534. If you're based in New Zealand, the same deal applies as well. And join us. I would love to speak with you and help you. And this promotion, all you need to do is have a chat with one of my team members and provide your ID, and we can sort something out for you. Now, obviously get something started as well, guys. I mean, we're obviously going through a bit of time right now, and we're all very distracted right now with obviously we are very distracted right now with the whole bushfires, and it's a terrible start. We've lost a lot of lives, which is shocking, and I wish, this is a bad start to 2020, but I know it's going to get better. Nothing ever stays permanent. Constantly is changing. This is something I've learned in business, being in business now for many years, over 15 years now I've been in business, and things are never constant. So you might be feeling a bit of pressure right now or distracted, but come January right now is a good time. If you're thinking about starting a business, start thinking about products, start thinking about what you are wanting to do this year in 2020. I want this to be your year. I want this to be the year where you step up, you basically start something this year. If you've been thinking about getting something going maybe last year, maybe 2018, 2019, and you haven't really got that oomph, you haven't really taken much action, then make 2020 your year. Get something on the road, all right? So like I said, guys, if you're one of our first responders, give us a call in the office, 02 8003 7534. I would love to work with you, and that goes with everyone else as well. Give us a call, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.